it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today I am here in Bangkok, Thailand at Factory Coffee headquarters here at an EVO meet put on by XO Autosport. Pretty cool meet. It's just started and there's more cars coming in, but I wanted to cover some of the cars that are here before it gets too crowded or they start playing loud music. But before I get started, if you could do me a huge favor, go hit that like button, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you could follow socials on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, I post a lot of stuff that I don't post here. So let me give you an overview. All right, so to give you a quick overview before they start playing music, the event officially starting, it's an all EVO meet and it's a lot of really cool different generations EVO. I'm gonna walk you through it. I'm gonna dump music over it because they're starting to do a sound test, and I don't want to get dinged by YouTube because they like to ding people for everything. Anyways, let me go ahead and do a full walkthrough and show you some of the cars. So this is the EVO meet. There's more cars coming still. I'll try to get some more content as it comes. But yeah, what'd you think of the meet? If you have any questions about the cars, definitely leave a comment down below. Hit a like if you like what you see. Always looking to get more content for everybody. And yeah, pretty cool meet. Thanks again, Pawn and everybody XO Autosport for the hospitality. But I'm gonna go ahead and go inside, grab some iced coffee and some water. I can't tell, I'm sweating it out. It's getting hot now. But yeah, until next time, you guys take care. See you next time.